today I'm doing an introduction to clipping masks in Illustrator. Let's get it. Okay, so I want to show you how you could use clipping masks. So first, again, we have the picture of the iguana or gecko, the lizard. So, it's cool, whatever. You could put, I don't know, type something. Lizard power or something, whatever. Doesn't have to be fancy. I just want to show you how this would work. And this is just some kind of type. Change the font. It's kind of cool. Lizard power. Color doesn't really matter, but maybe this green. Okay, so what I'm trying to show is how you can use clipping masks. So you'd pick a shape, rectangle, ellipse, star, it doesn't matter. Let's do star just to show you what you could do. So you hold it down, and you hold down shift, and you drag to make a perfect star, because if you move your hand off of shift, it'll just spin around like crazy. If you hold down option, it'll stay from the middle, but option and shift makes it perfect. And you want that as an outline, so you just swap fill and stroke here. And you have your star. So you want the picture to be only inside the star or whatever shape you have, right? So you just set it somewhere. Let's say there. Maybe we could make the picture smaller, just to fit his whole head in there. Or kinda. So what you do is you hold down, you select both, right click or double tap, go to transform, you go up, over transform, make clipping mask. That's all you gotta do. Press it, and there's your iguana inside your shape. And this could work with whatever kind of outline shape you have. And then you could double click inside, and the picture is still there. You could just edit and transform. It's a cool little trick. Let's go back, take it out of the star. Let's do a circle. Shift hand option to make a perfect circle. Place it over the lizard. Select both. Shift command, double tap or right click, make clipping mask. And there's your little circle of the lizard. And you can mess with the type too. Do whatever, but that was just how to make a clipping mask really easy. If you liked it, let me know, and I'll be making more videos soon.